So hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you are joining me for the first time, hello. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm Rox-T Styles. And to all my old subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are going to be revamping this old weft. So this is how Tangled it's looking like. So if you are ready, then let's go right into it. So guys, these are the two brushes I make use of whenever I want to revamp a wig, and I did prefer the black to this in detangling brush. So I'll just show you guys what it looks like. The reason why I prefer the other one to this detangling brush is because it doesn't detangle the hair the way this black one does. So you can use whichever one you prefer, but for me I do prefer the black one. So the detangling brush. Okay, so what I'm just doing now is that I detangle the tip of the weft before I go to the middle and then the top of it. When you revamp from the top of the weft without detangling the tip of it, it detangles the more. So you just need to take your time and detangle this from the tip to the middle and then the top of the weft. Does that make any sense? Of course it does. The next thing I'm going to do is to put the weft into a bowl, and then I'm just going to pour in some boiled water, and then I'll let this set for like 10 to 15 minutes. After that, I'll change the water, and then I'll put in my shampoo and wash that off. After I'm done revamping this weft by washing and making use of my leave-in conditioner, I just went ahead to brush this through, and then I'm going to be securing this on my mannequin with my pins. That way I can show you the next step to follow. So this is what it's going to look like once you've secured this down on your mannequin, and then I'm going to be making use of this to coil it down. I've forgotten what it's called. So I'll be repeating the same step I did in the first place before revamping this hair. So I'm going ahead to comb this through from the tip to the middle and then the top of the weft. And once I'm done combing this, I'll be making use of my water body noise to apply on this. This is just going to help my hair lay down flat before I coil it. So what I do is I put the weft on the band and then I fold down the tip of it, and I keep folding this, twisting and folding, twisting and folding, and then when I get to the tip of the weft, I bend the other end of the wand. This is what it's looking like. You can as well leave in those space that I left, or you can fold this down and fill in every space if you want your coils to be that tight or tighter than this. So this is what the weft is looking like after we are done unraveling the band from it. So I'll just go ahead to show you guys what it looks like. So just take off the tip from the band and we slowly unravel the twist from it, and that is it. So while doing this, you want to take your time so you don't end up tangling the weft again. This is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching up until now. If you are joining me for the first time, hello, I'm Rox-T Styles. Thank you so much. Please do well to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment in the section down below. The comment section is just down there. A lot of people ask where this comment section is, so it's just down. And thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.